Hello everyone. Let's see what are rows, columns. So when the data are arranged vertically, one below the other, we call it as column, and the data that are arranged horizontally, we call it as row, right? So column A, column B, column C. Likewise, we call it as row number 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. Okay, what are available under column E? So column E, I've got details like 63, 15, 17, 18. Right? And then when I talk about 8th row, then I've got details like 48, 67, 86, 5 and 17. So let's take an example. Let me link this data. 66 here. So it's column B, row 2. Column B, under column B, I am looking into details row 2. So under row 2, it's 66. So when I drag this down, what happens? I have column details here and the row details also here, right? But then when I go to the next cell, what happens is column remains the same, but the row changes. B4, B6. So when I look into B6, it's 24, 24. Likewise, the detail changes. So if I drag it towards my right side, see the column changes, row remains the same because we are fetching the details from row number 2, right? 66, 87, 95, 63, 85. So that's how we get to know what are columns and rows. Okay, let's move on. Let me take this data now. So let me use F4 and show it to you how it is used. So let me go here and then press F4 button, right? Press enter. So if you see, I have locked column B, I have locked row number 2. What is available under column B and row 2? It's 66. So when I press F4 from my keyboard, these details are locked, so it cannot be changed. It is fixed. So let me try this out. Let me drag towards my right side. The details remains the same. See, anywhere I go and click, it's locked. Dollar signs are used. Likewise, if I drag it down, the details remain the same. So that's when we use this F4 button. We have other scenarios also. Let's look into it quickly. Let me link this again. Okay, so I go here and then press F4 from keypad. Let me remove this dollar sign by clicking on backspace. So I'm having column fixed, but I'm not going to fix the row, right? So what happens is when I drag down, the row details are getting changed, right? So it is column B but row 3, column B but row 4. Row is free, but I have fixed the column. So if you click here again, it says column is fixed, but row is getting to change, right? So likewise, if I drag towards my right side, what happens? See, the column is fixed. Under column B, whatever details that reflects here 66, it is fixed. But when I move towards my right, the row is same, right? Row 2, so it is fixed now. So let's look into other example as well. Let's link this again and go here, press F4. Let me remove the dollar sign by clicking on backspace for column and press enter, right? So if I drag down, see what happens is I have fixed the row but not the column, right? So row under number second row, it's 66. So this is fixed over here. This is fixed, row 2. So if I go to row 3, it will not take this detail here, but then it will make sure that row number 2 is fixed. So likewise for every other details it is fixed. But then when I drag towards my right hand, the details are changed. Why? Because columns are free to change, but row is fixed. Under row number 2, I have got these details here, right? 66, 87, burger, 95, chicken nugget. So the row is fixed, but column is free. Column details vertically the data that are arranged are not fixed. So that's how I use my F4 button effectively. Hope this video is useful. Thank you so much. Have a great time.